Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize chapters generation workflow for longer YouTube videos, beginner guide step by step. To start the process of authorizing chapter generation for longer YouTube videos, log into your YouTube account. Navigate to the YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left side menu, look for the Settings option and click on it. In the Settings window, select the Channel tab. Next, choose the Features option from the Channel settings. Scroll down to find the Chapters section. If chapters are available in your region, you will see the option to enable them. Toggle the switch to enable chapter generation. Now, return to the YouTube Studio dashboard. Upload your longer video by clicking on the Create button. Select Upload Videos from the drop-down menu. After uploading, go to the Details section of your video. In the video description box, include timestamps to indicate your chapter breaks. Format the timestamps as midnight followed by the chapter title. For example, Midnight Introduction. Add as many timestamps as necessary to cover the video content. Once you've added all the chapter markers, scroll down to save your changes. Click the Save button to apply the modifications. Wait for a few minutes after saving for YouTube to process the chapters. After processing, your video will display chapters on the progress bar. Viewers can now easily navigate through the chapters while watching your video. Check back to ensure that the chapters are displaying correctly. This completes the process of authorizing chapters generation for your longer YouTube videos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.